Today, I have something insane to share with you. I'm going to show you exactly how I made $10,000 in just 30 days with CPA marketing. And trust me, it was crazy. But the best part, you can do the same thing even if you are a total beginner. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into what went down. So first thing first, let me show you the actual results. Here are my earnings from the past 30 days. As you can see right here, I got paid to my Payoneer account. So now I know you are probably thinking this is too good to be true. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same thing in this video. So trust me, this is the real deal. I'm not here to hype you with stuff. I'm going to give you the real strategy that worked for me step by step in this video, and you can just go ahead and replicate it for yourself. So for this case study, I used OG ads, and you may be wondering, why did I use OG ads? The reason is because they have a huge varieties of offers across multiple niches, and they are known for high payouts. So I already have an account with them. You just simply have to go over to ogads.com and you want to click on the sign up button, or you can click on the video above the screen right now. I already made a video on how to get approved on this platform. However, if you don't want to use OG ads, you can still use cpagrip.com as well. It's a very amazing network as well. All you simply need to do is to click on the register now button, and you'll be able to create an account and get accepted right away to cpagrip.com. So once you have your account created, there are certain things you need to keep in mind, particularly when it comes to choosing the right offers to promote. When I first started out, I usually make mistake by promoting offers that seem cool to me, but that just doesn't work and it doesn't convert well. So here are some things you need to keep in mind, or things you need to look out for before picking a CPA offer to promote. The first thing you want to look out for is good payout. You want to make sure the offer pays at least $1 to $3 for every action completed. And second thing you want to look out for is to go for SOI offers. And this simply means single opt-in offers, because these offers generally are easier for your visitors to complete, and they usually include free trials, email submits, or app downloads. It requires just a single action from your users. So if you're a beginner, I highly recommend to avoid offers that requires so many steps, particularly CPE offers, because these offers usually requires multiple steps before you can get a lead. And the last thing you want to look out for is proven offers. You want to go for offers that are already converting for other affiliates. And you may be wondering, how do you know this? It's very easy. All you need to do is to check the EPC of the offer, which stands for earning per click. The higher the EPC of any offer, the better, because that is a good indicator that that offer is performing for other affiliates, and it's only wise for you to promote that offer as well. So now to select an offer, all you need to do is to go over to the offers section of your account. So I'm going to click on offers right here. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and you want to make sure to pick the country you want to work with. So what I did exactly is to come over to this section that says filter by country. And here you want to then type in the country you wish to target. So for me, I'm going to select United States, or you can do the same exact strategy with any country of your choice. Okay, so once you do that, the next thing, like I mentioned earlier, you want to make sure to go for network EPC. And if you do that, this is going to show you the highest EPC on the network for this country. Okay, as you can see, this offer right here, Pacific Financial Derivative, is going to pay you $25 for every app installed. And as you can see here, the EPC is $4.06. Okay, so that tells you a lot of affiliates are currently making money promoting this offer. And like I said, for beginners, you don't want to go for CPE offers, because these offers usually requires multiple steps for you to make money from that offer. Okay, so you can see this one here is going to pay you $1.80. So you want to go for this type of offers because they are easier to make money for beginners. So once you find these email submit offers, all you simply need to do is to copy the ID of these offers. So you want to then make sure to look for 2 to 3 offers, as that was what I did. So once you make a list of 2 to 3 offers to promote, the next step is to then come over to tools and you want to go over to Smart Link. And the reason you want to use Smart Link is because OG Ads does not have a direct link you can use to promote an offer. So you want to then create a Smart Link, which you're then going to be using to promote that offer. Okay, so now you want to then give your Smart Link a name. So I'm going to type in something like SOI offers here as the name of this Smart Link. And now you want to then scroll down to where it says redirect URL, and you can just simply paste in something like google.com here like this. For those who don't know what a Smart Link is, it's basically a link that shows your users the offers they are likely to complete, because these are the offers performing in their region. Okay, so now you want to then come over to this section that says offers. This is where you then want to come over to add offers. And here you want to then make sure to type in the ID of those offers. Okay, so once you type in the ID of the offers, all you just need to do from here is to click on add like this. So as you can see here, I've tested the ID of the 3 offers I chose. As you can see, this one here is going to give people free samples, and you're going to get paid $1.80 for someone just submitting their email to enter a chance. You can see the same goes for these other offers as well. So this is everything you need to do here. You want to come back to basic, and you want to click on create Smart Link. So once you do that, you want to then click on action to copy your link. And for those who are on CPA Grip, you can do the same thing on CPA Grip as well. All you simply need to do is to log into your CPA Grip account. Then you want to make sure to come over to Offer Tools. So once you come over to Offer Tools, all you need to do is to click on Smart Links. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you can also create a Smart Link on CPA Grip. Okay, so the next thing you want to do for CPA Grip is to simply come over to where it says Show Offer Manager. And once you do that, you want to then come over to All Countries section, just like we did on OG Ads. And here you can select any country of your choice. So I'm going to take Netherlands as an example. So now all you need to do is to look for offers that have the highest EPC from this country. And all you just simply need to do from here is to select this star button here, and it's going to prioritize this offer in this Smart Link. Okay, so I'm going to take these offers here as an example. And once you're done selecting the offers you want, all you just need to do from here is to click on save. You will then be able to grab the link to your Smart Link. So once people from Netherlands start clicking on the link, one of the offers you selected in this Smart Link would be displayed to them. And once they complete the offer, you make money. So you want to always make sure to select offers that has to do with freebies or giveaways, because people like free stuff, and this type of offers are the best, and they are the ones that appeal to a lot of people out there. So now that we've chosen the right offers to promote and we've created our Smart Link, the next thing I had to do was to focus on traffic. Traffic is everything. You can add the best offers in the world, but if no one sees them, you won't make a dime. So I had to turn into paid traffic to test out how much I can earn in 30 days using paid ads, which made it easy for me to target the right people I want to show these offers. Because keep in mind, when you create a Smart Link, you show those offers to people from that country. And the easiest way to do that is with paid ads. So I decided to go with Facebook ad because Facebook lets you target super specific audience, and I could target people who are interested in freebies, giveaways, and even people looking for free deals on cashback. And for Google Ads, it allowed me target people who are actively looking for these offers on Google. So for instance, if I come over to my Google Ads account and I come over here and I type in freebies. So if I then click on get results, so as you can see, this keyword here, freebies, get 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches, which means this is a lot of people from United States looking for freebies on Google. And also you can see free sample, free stuff, free samples by mail. You can see these are specific searches of people looking for free stuff on Google. So with Google Ads, you can target these specific people. And since our offer is about giveaway, we are likely to get conversions from these people, as all they need to do is to submit their email to enter a chance to win that giveaway. So I ran a Google Ads and Facebook ad campaign targeting people who are interested in freebies with my smart link. So I decided to use an ad copy like this: free mystery box, get a chance to win big reward. So I made sure it was simple, clear, and appealing to my audience. And guess what? Clicks start coming fast because I targeted the right people who are interested in this offer. But there is a secret. You want to be testing and optimizing your ads. I didn't just run one ad and called it a day. I tested multiple versions, different headlines, different images, which means some of the ads did well and some did not do so well. So for those ads that were not performing, I decided to turn those ads off. So for instance, one headline performed 30% better than the other one just because I used a stronger value proposition. So that is why I mentioned earlier, never underestimate the power of testing your ad copies, different headline images, and different targeting. So I decided to change the headline to something like, get a free mystery box, no credit card required, free delivery. So if you take a look at these numbers, you can see for yourself, this campaign has a very high click-through rate, which means people are clicking on this ad. And because of that, we had a very low CPC, which means we were only spending very little money when people click on our ad. And also, you don't want to be promoting a direct smart link. You want to create a landing page. And you want to then make sure your landing page contains key elements like an image that resonates with that audience, a picture of money and other items people could win when they engage with this landing page. And as you can see, it has a timer as well, which tells people they need to take action as fast as possible so that they don't miss this opportunity. Okay, and as you can see, this landing page here has social proof, which shows people winners from various locations, right? And once they click on the claim it button, they are going to be shown one of the offers in our smart link. And once they complete the offer, we make money. So here are the key takeaways from this case study. You want to make sure to choose high converting offers. Like I mentioned earlier, if you are a beginner, go for SOI offers and make sure to go for offers that have a good payout. And the second thing you want to do is to drive targeted traffic. And one of the ways you can do that is by using Facebook and Google Ads. And the third thing you want to be doing is to constantly test your ads relentlessly and keep optimizing your ads so that you can make the most money from your ads budget. You can do this as well, and you don't have to start with thousands of dollars in budget. You can start with $5 to $10 depending on what amount you have within your budget. CPA marketing is simply a numbers game. The more you refine your strategy, the better your result. So if you like this video, then I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen. This is the next strategy you should use to scale your CPA earnings.